In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DocuSign to Google Docs. By integrating DocuSign with Google Docs, you can streamline your document signing process and manage all your signatures directly from within Google Drive. It's simple, efficient, and will save you valuable time. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Drive homepage. To do this, simply navigate to Google Drive using your preferred web browser and log in with your credentials. Once you're on your homepage, to begin using DocuSign, locate the Agreements section on the page. This is a crucial step because this is where you'll initiate the process. Click on Agreements, and then you should see an option that says Start Now. This will kick off the process of integrating DocuSign with your Google Docs. Next up, it's time to upload the document you'd like to work with. Make sure you have the document saved on your computer and easily accessible. Head over to your computer files, select the document you're intending to sign, and upload it to your Google Drive. This document will be the one you'll use to execute the signature process with DocuSign. After successfully uploading your document, the next step is to input the necessary participant details. You'll see a section that asks for the recipient's name and email address. Carefully enter this information, as accuracy is essential to ensure the right person receives the document for signing. Once you've filled out these fields with the correct details, go ahead and click Next to proceed. Now you'll be directed to the area focusing on the document's signature fields. This is where you'll use DocuSign's drag and drop feature. Look for the section labeled Standard Fields. This is your toolbox for setting up the document to be signed. Click, hold, and drag the signature field from the options available, then place it exactly where you'd like the recipient to sign. Whether it's at the bottom of the document, next to a specific clause, or at multiple points throughout, you have the flexibility to customize this according to your needs. And just like that, you've integrated DocuSign into your Google Docs. Now you're set to have documents signed electronically, making the bureaucracy process significantly more efficient. Whether you use this for business contracts, agreements, or any document requiring an official signature, streamlining this workflow will surely increase your productivity. Remember, getting comfortable with these tools might take a little practice, so don't hesitate to go through the steps as many times as needed to get everything just right. Thanks for following along, and have fun exploring the seamless integration of DocuSign with Google Docs.